What's up everybody? Welcome to episode 3 of the YT CAPRA bike build. Today we are going to install the entire bike, so it's quite a big episode. We first start with putting in all the bearings here and there and the bottom bracket and the headset. So let's get cracking on that. Yeah, and one more thing, the mistake I made on the paint. It's practically gone. For me it's good enough. Could be better because I have some I put my finger here, so there's a fingerprint there, and here you can see the paint is not really beautiful, but all in all, also here I pushed my my sweater in there. This splatter is not really beautiful. There's like a little drop there. Anyway, it's good. It's my first time, so I'm pretty stoked on it. And before I forget, I bought this really cool looking. Wow, it's a bearing press. I bought it from Amazon, so we'll be using it. It's maybe not the best quality, but I think it does the job. Nope, I thought it would fit, so I have to figure something out for the bigger ones. I'm just using this part just for this side. The other side is fine. Like a glove. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry about the mess in the back of the frame. My buddy has been telling me I need to clean it up before the videos, but yeah, I don't know. This is what it is. Alright, the other side. This works really cool. Oh man. Whee! Bottom bracket in. Time for the headset. This in here, and you see me holding a piece of wood because I don't have a headset press and I don't want to buy it because those are expensive, and I thought I could use this. So maybe not. A couple of years ago I whacked one in with a hammer, so this is way better than a hammer, I guess, so it should work. No. Just went inside because it's shitty weather outside, so I went in, and I'm kind of leaving this one alone for now because it's going in not at a straight angle, so I need to work around it. So at the moment I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna start with these bearings. There's one on this side and one on two on the other side, so I'm gonna loop them up and then press those in, see if I have more luck with this side, so fingers crossed. Alright, I think it seems to go straight. That's what we want. This one is going in really smooth. There, it feels like it's on the end. Let's see. This was really smooth, so yep. That's all the way in. Okay. I think, sorry about it, the average bike mechanic will be very mad with me, because this is what I used and that's what I used to get this in. I just whacked it down because it was not going straight. I think it's because I'm using the press, and let me show you these parts. If you can see it correctly like this, these parts where you kind of press the bearing in with the bearing press, and you use the other side to hold it back, and then you press the bearing in. But these sides are not straight, so it's a little difficult to get them in correctly, because the part here, this part is higher than that side, so you kind of push it in the wrong way. But I have one in now, and the difficult part is, this is the I don't know how you call this. It's like a bushing. It's not a bushing. I don't know. This is what you put in there from this side, but then you have to slide on the other bushing on here, which makes it almost freaking impossible. Alright, so this is the solution I have. This is the old bearing. This is the old bearing. This is just a steer tube from another project I did. So I'm gonna put that over. So here, this is the spare tubing I had. This is an old bearing. That's an old bearing. This is the new bearing that needs to go in, and then this presses that in. Right, let's see if this works. Alright, that works. So all the bearings for the main frame are in. 4 bolts going here and here, 2 there, 2 there. So we'll do that first, and then maybe we can start putting it together. Alrighty, let's go. Nice, bearings in. Bike's done. Just brought it over to the woods to make some cool shots and videos of it. So for the upgrades I did, I put on some ODI grips, a rental bar and a rental stem. Didn't cost me any money because it was of my old bike. New chainring, because the old chainring had like 3 broken tooths, so that had to go. Fresh tires, Billy Bonkers, had them laying around, so also didn't cost me anything. The YT drop post, I had the postman, found them, whoopa, it works, so that's awesome. I did have to buy that, so that's kind of a bummer. So what I had to do was tensioning all the spokes, because they were all almost loose. Oh, and for the main thing, almost forgot it, the repair. You can almost not see it. It's there. There. I hope you can see it on the video, but it looks pretty damn good, if you ask me. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think about the paint, because I'm loving it. I love this paint job. Let me get you some cool cinematic shots of the paint job and the build, and then we'll go over to the budget, see if I made it below 1,200 euros. And we're back at the trusty whiteboard. So first cost we had to make was the dropper post. This came in at 94 euros. So it was quite expensive, but I had to buy it because I couldn't fix the other one. Next up, the chainring. It was broken, so I needed it to buy it. This one was 30 euros. And next, all the bearings for the frame were 59 euros including shipping. It's all included shipping. And then I had to buy a headset. The entire headset was 40 euros. Then the nice pink grips were 28 euros. And last but not least, the bottom bracket was €34, which will come at a total of 1,287 euros. So pretty good. Not what I really wanted, but it's fine. I'm keeping this one. Alright. Yep, so that's the bike. I'm really stoked on it. I hope my girlfriend is too. And this was the whole build. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, go check them out. There's a link somewhere in the screen right now to the first video. And I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to make more bike building videos. I'd love to do more. Like and subscribe, comment, do everything you want or not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.